Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to limit app time on your Android device. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Here I'm going to open the phone application settings. Now here search for the digital well-being and parental controls. Dashboard. Here you can see your total app usage across all apps and a more detailed breakdown of your per app usage. To set the app timer, select app timer and then select the app you want to limit. For example, here I'm going to tap on dashboard, and now here I have different applications, and let me go to WhatsApp. And now here you can see app timer. Tap right here on the app timer and select the timer. For example, if I click that 1 or 30 minutes, I cannot use after that application, so it will give me the time that your time to use that application is over. So let me set it, and here you can see this time is set now. So this is how you can easily manage your app limit timer on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.